Morning. But I deeper mids. Higher level. Sometimes I have to just unplug me. Detach from the world. Listen. A magician uses these two elements to make you believe what you saw and what you seen. With your ears hear at the same time as your eyes, your mind intends to believe.
But okay. Morning.
Morning, bro. Yo, you know, say at time now, right? Yeah. A time for get back to work.
It's about damn time. Long time the world I wait for you, my brother. Good for you, that. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Carry on the message.
Yeah, man. Carry on the message. Set speed.
Carry on the message. I'm saying, morning. Future entrepreneurs, dreamers. Discipline determines our destinies, but not your desires. So that's why everything me do, man, I do it to the best of my abilities. This is a nothing to something kind of story that manifested from a dream. Some wicked people, some say friend, check it, some are enemy. Some never believe, nah, no want me achieve my goal, but quitting, that's not for me. I'll never give up, no, never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Every end has a beginning. Said I'd never give up, I'll never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Yeah. Can't talk to them, for who know me right, really know me. You know that there's no derailing, nor stopping the train. Yeah, my mind that took a long break from music for help and my family, but entertainment in my vein. Me and my real friends, we have the same. The saga continues. JMK, what happened again? You wouldn't even believe if I tell you, you know.
Let's just keep praying.
I'll never give up, no, never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Every end has a beginning. Said I'd never give up, I'll never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Yeah. Sure. Fighting for my life, I've been through it. Literally, God bless me through it all. One thing with me know hope is survive. Cause I'm a fighter, whether rise, whether when I fall. You see disappointments must happen in your life. How you deal with it make you strive. So not a dime or red set me fear, but my mental eyes man of pride. I'll never give up, no, never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Every end has a beginning. Said I'd never give up, I'll never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Yeah. So that's why everything me do, man, I do it to the best of my abilities. This is a nothing to something kind of story that manifested from a dream. Some wicked people, some say friend, check it, some are enemy. Some never believe, nah, no want me achieve my goal, but quitting, that's not for me. I'll never give up, no, never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Every end has a beginning. Said I'd never give up, I'll never give in. Gotta fight till I win. Yeah. Never give up, never give in. Fight till we win. Come on. Never give up. All the barbershop owners, taxi drivers, producers, no matter what I do, don't give up, no matter what somebody tell you. Carry on the message, I'm saying. We'll never give up. Can't hear you. Never give in. We'll fight. Say it like you mean it. Black and strong, powerful.